Last week, our buddies at Jameson, last week or the week before, maybe it was last week, we talked about something they're doing for St. Patrick's Day, where you want some St. Patrick's time off. And I'm going to show you this. And they have this, this is amazing, by the way. Maybe it was 2 weeks ago we talked about it. St. Patrick's Day this year is on March 17th, which is a Friday. So Jameson wants you to take St. Patrick's Day time off. So they were selling these cardboard cutouts, and you actually put your own head on these cutouts. Let me get to one here. So you go in here and you can find, you pick any. Oh, well, it says now they're sold out, but I got one. Different things. You upload your picture, your headshot, whatever, and then they make you one. Well, I got one, and I'm going to show it. I'm going to do an unboxing right now. How do I get over to this on my phone? Cool. So there we are. So I got this big giant box. So I'm going to go ahead and bust it out. Let me see here. Oh, Jesus. Sorry, y'all. This may not be the best setup. Oh, there we go. Let's do it that way. You want to be... You want to be careful not to cut your the thing inside. I didn't get a proof on this or anything. I just sent a picture and picked a thing, got an email confirmation, and it was $20. $20 for shipping and everything. And it took about a week, but it didn't, well, maybe it took longer. I don't know. It didn't seem like it took real long at all. Hang on, let me move this thing. Jeez. Make it stand up. Well, anyway. It's going to take a minute to figure out how to set that up, but it's pretty cool. I got a kick out of that. Let me show this again. Look at the size of that thing. And actually, it's pretty funny. It's actually cut out. That's pretty funny. It's like a die cut thing. It's amazing. Anyway, that's got to be my co-host next week.